What up, YouTube and all my Ryker riders out there? Today I got a pro Ryker tip for you for all your Ryker needs. Alright, now everybody talks about working on their Ryker, taking it apart, putting it together, but no one's been talking about the tools they need. Every Ryker owner, these are the 3 tools that you're going to need. And I'm not including your tool arsenal of your screwdrivers and your ratchet sets. I'm just talking about things that are necessary for the Ryker. First one is a pry bar. The Ryker has mostly plastic rivets holding all the plastic on. Instead of messing them up with a flathead screwdriver, as a lot of people do, you could pick up a full set of these. Not expensive. I think it was like $7. You get a full assortment, full sizes. Pry bar, plastic pry bar for your plastic rivets. It's a #1 tool. Number 2, and many people will not have this in their arsenal, it's a spanner wrench. Attaches to your ratchet. This is what you're going to need to change your rear spring if you want to increase it or decrease it. This attaches to your ratchet and you're able to wrench it over and adjust your rear shock. This is a must-have. Then we're going to go on to Torx screws and Torx wrenches. This is the standard set of Torx that you get. You might not be able to see, but I'll have a full list of the Torx that you're going to need. Every screw on the Ryker is done through Torx. So you're going to need anything from a 35 to a 20. That's all you're going to need. I don't believe there's anything smaller than that. I could be wrong, but let me know. So there's 2 types of Torx you can get. You can get this one, which I showed you before, and that inserts into your standard screwdriver. Or you can get this one. This one you insert onto a ratchet set, so you can do an extension if it's kind of hard to do. So like I said, those are the standard tools that I use for my Ryker, and you all know I take my Ryker apart all the time. At the end of the video I'll show you a picture of all those tools. Alright everybody, just to let you know, I have a live streaming event coming up this week. Please stay tuned for that. Put it in your notification bell. I got a big update between Rolling On 3 the podcast and BRP. You're gonna love it. I got some great information I'm gonna share, good news, some updates, great conversation I had with BRP and Can Am. So please watch out for the live stream coming up. We'll talk all about it, and you can ask me questions on the live stream. Thanks everybody watching for the pro tool tip. This is Rolling On 3 Wheels. I'm Keith Hammer. Please like, subscribe, and follow. Thank you.